Hey everyone, Ken here with Ken's Creations and Chalk Couture. Today I'm going to show you a quick project using the adorable A-size North Pole postmark and our 5.5 by 7.5 board and base. Let's get started. We'll first remove the pillar part of the board and base and just have the board. Grab the A-size North Pole postmark, use our fuzzing cloth, and then place it in the center of the chalkboard. Make sure you have it nice and secure on that chalkboard. You can even use your 4-inch squeegee to make sure there's no bubbles or ripples. Now, we're going to be using the beautiful shimmer red Chalkology Paste. It's almost a cranberry color with flecks of gold, and grab a small squeegee. Now, I always like to put a pretty healthy amount all over my chalk transfer because you can always remove the excess and put it right back into the jar. Now, if you make any little mistakes and get it off to the side of the board, no need to worry. All you have to do is remove your transfer and take a final look. Oh, we did go a little off of the board a little bit, so not a big deal. We're just going to grab a baby wipe, remove all of that excess, and we're good to go. Dry it, and we can put it right back on to the pillar, and we have a beautiful completed project. This was a really quick one, but I absolutely love the look of the shimmer red against the whiteboard. It looks great. Now, if you're not working with a designer, we would love to be your Chalk Couture designer. You can shop all of our links down below for all the products we used, or if you'd like to save 40% off the entire Chalk Couture catalog, you can join our team as a designer. Also, we have Club Couture. As a Club Couture member, you get an exclusive B-size transfer and 3 pay singles every month. All of the information is down below. Thanks for watching. Bye, everyone.